Most students will enjoy the communication in the last July 16. They have first grade recreation in MOIS. In this event, MOIS first grade students and teachers participate. They enjoy the treasure hunt. It was planning and playing by students. This event purpose is make deep relationship. Organizers students make random group with strangers person. Interview to girl students. She said she could know friends' hobby and favorite things. Boy students said she could cooperating with team, so it's happy time, and no MOIS building structure. Almost students could include the friends for different classmates. Also, we enjoyed the treasure hunt for quiz. They were able to create a brightly mood with this recreation. Also, they will enjoy treasure hunt in the recreation time.